Hey everyone, welcome back. I'm in my original hometown in California, Capitola. And look at the beautiful day it is here in Capitola. So I'm gonna walk around, show you guys around my old stomping grounds from 1971. Yeah, I know, I'm old. Turning 57 this month. But anyway, when I was a kid, I loved this town. It's a great little seaside town. So come with me and let's check out Capitola. All right. How would you like to live in one of those houses? So one of the reasons I love trains, or the reason I love trains, and you watch my channel and you see train footage, is this trestle here in the middle of Capitola. When I was a kid, they had freight trains coming and they'd blow their horn, and I lived on the other end over there. And I would jump out of bed and ride my bicycle down there when I was 6 years old and watch the train go by, and that started my love for trains. Hey, doggy. So here we are at the Capitola Wharf. Now, I haven't been here in forever. Founded in 1857. There's Capitola Beach, looking pretty nice. Those palm trees right there, right below that apartment complex. On the side of the hill, I used to bring my Hot Wheels and play and make little roads and pretend it was a village for my Hot Wheels. The voice you hear is my wife, but she doesn't want to be on camera. That's fine.
That's fine.
But that's her voice. Now you see all the surfers out there trying to catch some waves. Some decent waves rolling in right now. And this is the north side of the pier. This guy's got a good ride. He's been riding the whole time.
Really? God!
That's a great ride. There's, I guess, a moray eel, maybe shark, tuna, all the way up the post. And this guy's just chilling. What's up, bud? Check out this mural on the wall, it's pretty awesome. Look at the houses these people have on the shore here, and look at the view. They got amazing view under the pier. Might see a starfish or 1,000 sandflies. Pigeon enjoying the seaweed. Some of those pillars don't look so strong. Watch out for the sand flies. There's the water coming to get you. What a perfect day here at the beach. Alright, we're going to try to avoid getting soaked here. Okay, I'm committed now. Took my shoes off. So I got an interesting story. When I was 6, I came out here on the beach. And I got a brand new set of cowboy boots, a holster for Christmas. I was walking along and I fell into a sinkhole, which I think was like where a pier pylon used to be, and I sank right up to my neck. And if my brother wasn't with me, I wouldn't be here, because I was continually to sink, and I lost one of my cowboy boots in the hole. It is very scary. So you never know when you're walking on the beach. As a little kid, what are you gonna run into? Ooh. A little chilly. Just a little. Oh wow, that water's cold. That ain't no Hawaiian water, I'll tell you that right now. Ooh. Puts a numb on your feet immediately. Surf's pretty good right now, huh?
Yeah, tide's coming in, so it's getting a little soft.
Ah.
But it should still be fun.
So is it better when the tide's going out?
It's better when the tide's a little bit lower.
Oh, okay.
Still be fun.
Have a good time. Look at all the surfers out here today. Body surfers. Here you got the good sized waves. This guy's got one. Some happy elephant seals here. Look at the look on his face. It's a sea otter. It's the TARDIS. For you Doctor Who fans. So guess what that building used to be? Movie theater. So these stairs here, when I was a little kid, we lived up there, and I used to run up and down them. Probably can't do that anymore. Okay. I just want to take a minute. This used to be a church, and there used to be a bell hanging here, and it had a rope on the end. And when we had little kids, what do little kids do? We'd ring the bell. But look what it is now. It's a beautiful house. Church converted into a very nice house. These shops here used to be like incense and candles and poster shops. This is the trestle that I grew up on, playing on, and when I was a kid, my brothers and his friends, when freight trains would come by, a few times they would jump onto the cars when they go by, and they actually convinced me, or I did it, and that was scary because I was holding on to a freight car for about 5 seconds till I let go on the trestle, I might add. There used to be some wood planks that would go over the water here. I want to go see if they're still here. Now I don't see them. They used to be under this part. Wooden planks that we'd walk to the other side on. So that trestle there and the train that went over it is the reason I love trains so much. Hey everyone, hope you enjoyed coming to the town of Capitola here. This is the town I grew up in. I was only here a year, 1971, but I had a lot of great memories here. One of them was this trestle that I'm standing on. Thanks for coming on my journey today, and I'll see you on my next video.